Hi guys, welcome to another video of Dimple D'Souza. So if you're coming here for the first time, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post an amazing video for you all. So yeah, today's video, I was wondering should make it or not, what will people think, how they will react, blah 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 blah, 100 questions running on my mind. Who cares? So this is for you guys, for you girls out here, for your safety, for your precaution. So I'm gonna talk about this to you all, and I think it's high time every person should share this and tell you guys what you're supposed to do and what you're not supposed to do. Well, I have got plenty of questions regarding this, so I'm going to talk about something which every girl hesitates to discuss. So today I'm going to talk about a product which is called V-Wash, which will keep your vaginal healthy and it'll stay away from vaginal infection. A lot of girls do not discuss about vaginal infection. Why? What is the cause? So I've been getting a lot of messages about vaginal infection, what is the cure, what are the causes. So I will talk about the causes in next video because I need to jot it down. I need to research what all the causes can be. So I'm here just to tell you how to prevent that your vaginal can get infected and how to keep it clean and hygiene. Did you guys know a healthy vaginal flora requires a pH of 3.5 than the regular wash what we do? So I'm going to talk about a product which helps your vaginal to stay healthier, cleaner and stay away from any kind of infection to it. V-Wash is an expert intimate hygiene unique pH balance formula of lactic acid, and it contains a pH 3.5. Everyone knows that pH 3.5 is very healthy for your vaginal any kind of infection, and it cleans and makes your vaginal area healthier. It has enriched with sea buckthorn oil and tea tree oil. That's it. These are the two products which is involved into it. It has 100 ml into it and it's a pure liquid wash. Now, get this point very clear. V-Wash just is a wash. It helps to clean that area with a soap. It's a content of a soap, okay? But it doesn't clear your portion out of it. It's only a wash. Helps to wash your vaginal area and keep it hygiene and clean. This can be used every single day. Usable during periods as well. So yes, you can use this even during your periods time. So this is really good product. Now this has 100 ml into it and it's a liquid wash. There's a lot of other things written over here, what it has and how it helps and everything. Okay, it has lactic acid of 1.2%. That's the key ingredient which it has into it. Do not swallow this product. Avoid contact with eyes. Obviously, why would you use it there? Okay, and keep out of reach of children. So don't let the kids even use this. Okay, it's only for external use, and store this in a temperature not exceeding 30 degrees C. The pricing of this package is 180 rupees Indian currency. Manufacture date, the expiry date, everything is given over here. So please check out the manufacture and expiry date before you use this product. So when you open this product, it comes out with a bottle like this, and there's a sachet given inside this. So this is how the bottle looks. It says it has 3.5 pH. It's everything which is given, 100 ml into it, and 100 ml for 180 is not bad as a usage. You can use this every single day. Okay, this helps to clean your vaginal area and it will help you to keep it hygiene. Now, coming to the smell of it. The smell of it is exactly like a soap, but there's no difference. Like how you use a normal soap for your body, that's how the smell. And it's extremely powerful smell. Okay, so it will keep out of vaginal odor. So any kind of vaginal odor, this will keep away if you use this. Any kind of infection, any kind of boils or acne, any kind of redness. So all this will help you to keep your vaginal area healthier. few drops of V Wash Plus and then rub it nicely and apply on your vaginal area, okay, like how you apply a soap to your body. The same way you apply it in your vaginal area and leave it for a few seconds and wash it off with water. Please don't use the normal soap for your body wash or for face wash to your vaginal area, okay? You can't use that. That is why we have made this kind of brands where you have to use this only for that particular area. Comes to the rating of this product. Well, the rating of this product, I would give it 10 out of 10. I think this is the first product which I have rated out to 10 out of 10. There's no minus points which I find in this product. Okay, even the packaging is really good. Okay, and it's travel friendly. You can take it, you can put it anywhere, you can use it whenever you want. Even when you're urinating, you can just wash it up with this. Just not with plain water, but wash it up with this. So yes, it's a must buy. I don't give any review rating 10 out of 10. This is, I think, the first product which I have given 10 out of 10. I think, yeah, it's a must buy, V Wash, and this is only used for women out there, okay? Right, only women out there. Yes. So yeah, if you want more details about this product, where can we get it, and this is available anywhere, any supermarket, any health and glow, any medical store. So this is easily available. Even if you don't want to go out of the house, you can get this in your doorstep by ordering this online. So that's it I have for today's video. If you like this video, do give it a big fat thumbs up. Big thumbs up. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Dimple signing for now. Bye bye guys.